Good afternoon, everyone. So, I would like to apologize first for the yesterday because I could not come and आप सबका time भी waste हुआ. So I am so sorry for that. But today it will be a good session. I'm and so today we are going to have a session on how to do a CPR. Does everyone know what is the full form of CPR? CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Cardio means heart, pulmonary means lungs, and resuscitation means resuscitate karna. Means we need to bring the patient back. So I will go through one of my presentation, few slides. It's not going to be boring. So just a few slides. Yeah. So can you start this? Yeah, click. So just have a look on this video. What exactly is happening? Can everyone see? Yeah. So look at this. This is a person. We can switch off these lights so that everyone can see better. Look at this. What exactly he is doing? He is doing some gym work, and now suddenly collapse. And this is from India. This was on social media from Faridabad. And look at this. What exactly happened? So another person came. He tried to rescue. So he is removing the obstacles, and then all alone he is not able to do everything. So now he is checking the patient whether he is responsive or not, whether he is alive or not, whether he is breathing or not. But he is not doing what supposed to be done. Now he is putting water. This is not we supposed to do. We have to do something else. Yeah. So next. Yeah. Click. Next. Yeah. Just look at this video. This is a different scenario. So people are in one of the lobby. They are just discussing, and suddenly something happened. The person developed suddenly chest heaviness, and within fraction of second, he becomes unresponsive. So, life of this patient is not depends on doctors. The life of this patient depends on the person sitting or standing next to him. So, similarly, at your home, at your family, in your society, in your community, if you know how to do the CPR, you can save the patient's life. You can save the person's life. The patient is for me, but not for you. So look at the difference, what exactly they are doing. They've started a CPR, and this CPR can save the life of the patient. So for me, what I consider is मेरी लाइफ मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरी लाइफ मेरे ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं कर रही है. माई लाइफ इज डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सन स्टैंडिंग जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू मी. मैडम की लाइफ इस चीज पे डिपेंड कर रही है कि मैडम के बगल में जो बैठे हैं उनको सीपीआर आता है कि नहीं. सिमिलरली आप लोगों में को अगर सीपीआर आता है, यू कैन टीच द सेम सीपीआर फॉर द यंगर kids also, and you can teach the same CPR to your family members also, and you should all learn it. You never know at what time in life when and where you will need it. कब आप किसके लिए भगवान बन जाएंगे, nobody knows. So look at the situation. So what they are doing, they are using the AED. AED means automatic external defibrillator. So by giving this AED, they are giving a shock. So by giving this shock, we are bringing the patient back. So by giving a CPR, if a patient collapse and there is sudden cardiac arrest, if we are not doing a CPR, 99% of the time patient will not survive. But if we are giving a CPR, there are 50% chances that that patient might survive. So if given a chance, the 50% is too high. So why not take this chance? So everyone should learn the CPR. एंड आज की डेट में अगर आप सीखेंगे तो हो सकता है फ्यूचर में, वी नेवर नो, मे बी आफ्टर 5 years, मे बी आफ्टर 10 years, मे बी इन नेक्स्ट 1 month or 2 months, you might save someone's life. And it could be one of your family member also, or it could be one of your friend or friends, relative, anyone, or in the society, in the public area, in train, in bus, in airport, anywhere. If you know the CPR, you can save someone's life. So that's why this is my passion, to teach the basic CPR to everyone. So look, so did you notice the difference between the first clip and the second clip? What they did in the second clip, they call for help first. They check the responsiveness, then they call for help. By the time the help is coming, they have started the CPR. And now, how to do the CPR? I will go one by one. Next, please. So, sudden cardiac arrest. So, what exactly that happened? मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ, या कोई भी, कई बार आपने देखा होगा सोशल मीडिया में, कई बार क्लिप्स आती हैं, कई बार न्यूज़ में आता है, कोई लेक्चर देते देते सडनली बेहोश हो गया, कोई डांस करते करते एकदम से बेहोश हो गया, कोई स्पोर्ट्स खेल रहा है, बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं और सडनली एकदम से बेहोश हो गिर गया, एंड विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड दैट पर्सन इज नो मोर. This is known as sudden cardiac arrest. The cardiac arrest is different and the heart attack is different. Heart attack is one of the most common reason for the sudden cardiac arrest, but both are different entity. हार्ट अटैक मीन्स हार्ट के अंदर कोई ब्लॉकेज हुआ जिसकी वजह से हार्ट के ऊपर एक अटैक हुआ, बट सडन कार्डियक अरेस्ट मीन्स हार्ट ने काम करना ही बंद कर दिया. It's arrest. So there is no heart activity. So if heart is not pumping, then there is no blood supply to any organ of the body. And if there is no blood supply, so all organ is going to damage. So within 4 minutes, if there is no blood supply to the brain will dead. उसके बाद आप CPR करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे, उसको ऑक्सीजन देंगे, भले हार्ट को रिवाइव कर भी लेंगे, बट उस पेशेंट की लाइफ का कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, बिकॉज ब्रेन इज ऑलरेडी डेड. So brain को oxygen supply and blood supply is important, and within 4 minutes, if it's not there, then brain will die. So that's why we need to learn it and learn it properly. Next, please. So next, please. So sudden cardiac arrest can happen to anyone and anywhere. So don't be in denial mode. किसी को भी हो सकता है, कभी भी हो सकता है, और कहीं पर भी हो सकता है. Life is unpredictable, and especially after COVID, there are many patients, especially in younger age group, who are coming with a heart attack and sudden cardiac arrest. So we need to understand what exactly is happening. Next, please. Back. So quick action by bystander can save the life. So your life is depends on the kid sitting next to you or the person sitting next to you. Next, please. Next. So death is inevitable, but the sudden cardiac arrest is preventable. Next, please. So this is a picture I took from one of the paper from Jaipur itself. 45 minutes मुंह से सांस देकर सड़क पर तड़पते युवक की जान बचा ली. So there were so many people on the road, but there was only one person who exactly knew how to do the CPR, and he gave the CPR. He took the courage to do the CPR. There might be a situation when you are going to do the CPR, there might be a situation कि बाकी लोग आपको रोकने की कोशिश भी कर सकते हैं, because everyone is not aware about it. Because sometimes you start doing a compression of someone's chest, then if somebody doesn't know what you are doing, they might feel offended and they will start shouting on you. But don't look on them. आपको क्या करना है, that has to be important, because you can save the life of if you give a CPR for next 15-20 minutes, that patient's life can be saved. Next, please. So question is, are we trained or educated enough to do the CPR? Answer is Absolutely no. Next, please. So, country with the highest number of trained population in CPR. There are two countries, Denmark and Poland. Back in 2005, they were similarly like India. But what they have adopted in schools, in colleges, they have started CPR training as a compulsion. So everyone who is graduated from the school, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, he must know the CPR. They brought the compulsion in different government schemes. Means if someone has to take a driving license, they has to deposit the CPR and life saving training certificate. So it is compulsion. So once it becomes compulsion, then everyone will get to know how to do it and they can do it properly. When you enter in the Denmark, so on airport itself, there is a huge board which says, "Welcome to the country where 99% population knows how to do the CPR." And previously, back in 2005, they were just 1%. So within a fraction of year, within a few years, they have brought this drastic changes. So you all are the future of this country. So you must know how to do the CPR. Next, please. So next, now we will be talking about how to do the CPR. Can someone bring this table here in the front here? So there are few components of CPR. First and foremost thing is, whenever a patient or a person becomes unresponsive, unconscious, what will you do? Any question, any answer? Raise your hand, give your answer, don't hesitate. If someone becomes unresponsive, what will you do the first? Yeah, please tell. खड़े होके बोलिए please. He or she? Yes. So first and foremost thing is check the responsiveness. So how to check the responsiveness? That is very, very important. So suppose this is a person who has just collapsed a few seconds back. How will you check for responsiveness? Mic pakad le. So to check for responsiveness, you might be knowing the name of the person or you might not be knowing the name of the person. So how will you do it? Are you okay? Are you okay? या फिर if you know the name, suppose if you know the name, Anil, are you okay? Anil, are you okay? आप ठीक हैं? He is not responding. And we are also looking that he is not breathing also. तो ना तो वो respond कर रहा है और ना ही वो breathe कर रहा है. It means there is a high possibility that this person is having a sudden cardiac arrest. So what will be the next step? So हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया? We check the responsiveness. How to check? Loudly. Are you okay? Are you okay? He is not responding. Then the next step is, who will tell? Yeah, please. No. Any other? You can check the pulse, but what will you do first? Sorry. Any other answer? The second response has to be call for help. You cannot alone save the life. You need some help because CPR करते समय हाथ दुख जाते हैं, बॉडी पूरी टायर्ड हो सकती है, and you need some other help also. So the second thing is call for help. So if suppose there is another person is standing nearby of you एम्बुलेंस बुलाइए, और अगर आसपास कोई डिफिब्रिलेटर है तो उसको भी लेके आइए। सो डिफिब्रिलेटर इज एईडी और डिफिब्रिलेटर। नाउअडेज एयरपोर्ट पर, ट्रेन स्टेशन पे, बहुत सारी जगह पे एईडी जो होते हैं वो रखे हुए रहते हैं। सो उनका इंपॉर्टेंस समझिए। सेकेंड रिस्पॉन्स हैज टू बी कॉल फॉर हेल्प। सो कॉल फॉर हेल्प में एम्बुलेंस बुलाइए, मीन्स मेडिकल पर्सनल हैज टू कम। And second thing, if there is a defibrillator nearby, arrange it. If it's not, then just start doing the CPR. Then the third point is, then next, who will give the answer? What will be the next? Yeah, please. No. What will be your response? बैठ जाइए आराम से। The next is ensure safety. Why I am saying safety? If suppose ये पर्सन सडनली कोलैप्स हुआ या डूब गया नदी में, तो आप सीपीआर वहां पर तो नहीं कर पाएंगे, आप भी डूब सकते हैं। या फिर जहां पर ये पर्सन है उसके आसपास कोई करंट है तो आपको भी करंट लग सकता है। सो इंश्योर सेफ्टी ऑफ person as well as yourself. So bring the person to a safe place. That is the third one. If suppose चेयर पे बैठे बैठे कोलैप्स हो गया तो क्या करेंगे, उसको नीचे लिटाएंगे हार्ड सरफेस पे। So patient or person has to be on the hard surface. So this is the third point. So first point was check for responsiveness, second was call for help, and the third one is ensure safety. Yeah, and then the fourth one is start CPR. तो CPR स्टार्ट करने के पहले हमें तीन चीजें देखनी है। पेशेंट ऑलरेडी नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग, मीन्स न्यूरोलॉजिकली ही इज नॉट इंटैक्ट, मीन्स ही इज नॉट अवेयर। ब्रीदिंग देख ली, देयर इज नो ब्रीदिंग और नॉट अ नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग। देयर आर टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रीदिंग। एक तो नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग ले रहा है पेशेंट, बट पेशेंट बेहोश हो गया, ब्रीदिंग है नॉर्मल, बट एक होता है गैस्पिंग वाली ब्रीदिंग। सो द गैस्पिंग ब्रीदिंग इज डिफरेंट। मतलब पेशेंट बहुत लंबी सांस ली, वो भी ऐसे सांस ले रहे हैं कि 10 सेकंड 15 सेकंड के बाद कोई एक सांस ले रहा है, दैट्स अ गैस्पिंग ब्रीदिंग। मतलब पेशेंट इज अबाउट टू डाई, दैट्स अ गैस्पिंग। सो दैट गैस्पिंग ब्रीदिंग इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग, सो दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो न्यूरोलॉजिकल ही इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग, breathing he is not breathing, and then you can check the pulse also. Even if you don't check the pulse, that is also okay, but check the pulse. Where will you check the pulse? Neck. So yes, so everyone put one finger on one side, don't put both the finger, दोनों हाथ मत रखना, एक साइड की रखना, क्योंकि अगर आपने दोनों हाथ रखा तो चक्कर आ सकता है। So one finger on one side. Can you feel? Can everyone feel their pulse? Yes? Yeah. So then we have checked the pulse, we have checked the breathing, we have checked the responsiveness. Now we have to do the CPR. So now how to do the CPR? So everyone will do, okay? So this is your hand, this is the heel of your hand, okay? Keep this heel of your hand in the lower chest, in the middle of the lower chest. So this is known as a sternum bone. This from here to here, this is a sternum bone. तो इसके लोअर 1/3 पर इधर आना है आपको, यहाँ पे, वहां पे आपको you have to keep this heel over here. Then you have to spread your fingers and another hand and interlock fingers. Okay? Are you getting? So heel of one hand over the lower sternum in the middle of the chest, interlocking with another finger, and then straighten your head, not like this, your hands like this, and then you have to do the CPR. So during CPR you have to push not by the hand, you have to push by your shoulder and lean it with your body and you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how rapid we have to do it? 100 to 120 per minute. Means in 1 minute you have to do it around 100 to 120 times. How hard we have to press? As hard as possible you can press it. हड्डी टूटती है, टूटने दो. Don't worry. Bone can be repaired if the patient or person can survive. So don't worry about कि पेशेंट की हड्डी टूट जाएगी, इतना जोर से मैं कंप्रेशन कर रहा हूँ. डोंट वरी. पेशेंट की लाइफ बच गई, दैट इज गुड. अगर आपने बोन तोड़ी है, दैट मीन्स यू डिड अ गुड CPR. You did a good job. So don't worry about breaking the bone. So 100 to 120 times in a minute. And how deep we have to press? So at least 2 inch. It means around 5 to 6 centimeter. You have to go down. And then you have to recoil also. Down and then recoil. So what exactly we are doing? We are pushing the heart. So by pushing the heart, we are by compressing, we are pushing the compressing the heart, and then by recoiling, we are giving time for heart to get relaxed again, so that it can take another cycle of blood, and then again it push. So heart, how does it pump? Take the blood and pump it. Take the blood and then pump it. So by pushing, we are squeezing out the blood from the heart, and it is going in every organ of the body, including the brain. And by relaxing, we are giving the time to relax and take the oxygenated blood from the lungs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how we have to do it. Till now everything is clear? Yeah. So now interlocking of both hands, keeping the hand on the lower end of the sternum at the lower 1/3. Then keeping the hand straight, push hard and fast, 100 to 120 times per minute, at least 5 to 6 inches deep, and it has to be fast. So, and you have to count also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Patient is getting alive. What you supposed to do is, you are giving the blood, but you are not giving the oxygen, because patient is not breathing. So what you are doing is, you are maintaining the circulation, but you are not giving the oxygen. So how will you give the oxygen? By mouth to mouth respiration. So what is the basic CPR cycle is? You have to press for 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. 20, 21, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just after 30, what you have to do is, you have to give 2 breaths to the patient, mouth to mouth respiration. Don't worry, how can I give a mouth to mouth respiration? You are saving the life. I show that clip. Kiss of the life. Did you see? So that's how you have to give it. If you are afraid, you can put some cloth or something over here, and then you can give it. How to give the mouth to mouth respiration? You have to keep one hand over here and tilt the head and lift the chin. So one hand over here, one hand over here, so that the airway from mouth to the trachea, it get open. So what you are doing is, tilt the head, lift the chin, and then और जोर से देना है. So take a deep breath, and then so when you are giving it, that time it has to be so hard that the person's chest has to be come up. It means the breath you are giving from the mouth is reaching up to the lungs. And 2 breath. So 30 times CPR, chest compression, then head tilt, chin lift, and 2 breath. And again start doing a CPR. So this is how you have to do it. 30 chest compression, 2 breath. So it's important to give the breath is, even if you are doing only CPR or only the chest compression and you are not giving breath, there is a possibility you might revive the person after 5 minutes or 7 minutes, but by that time the brain is already dead, because brain is getting the blood supply after 5 minutes but not getting the oxygen. And if brain is not getting oxygen, the person might become brain dead. He might be alive but brain dead. So we want to preserve the life. We want the brain has to be functioning, the heart has to be function, and all other organ has to be function. So everyone got the point? Till what time will you do the CPR? Any answer? कब तक करेंगे CPR? खड़े होके बताइए कोई भी. Anyone? Sorry? No. Yes, you? Yes, that is one answer. Till the ambulance or the medical personnel come. Next is, or you get the AED. If there is a nearby AED is there or defibrillator is there, give the defib and then again start CPR. Then again give a defib after 2 minutes and then again start CPR. So keep doing this. Third is, patient becomes responsive. Once the patient becomes responsive, you have to stop the CPR. Otherwise, patient will say stop, and you are still doing the CPR. So don't do like that. Okay? Or you become exhausted. Then ask the other person to do the CPR. By the time, so 2 minutes, one person will do the CPR, another 2 minutes, another person will do the CPR. By the time the next person is doing the CPR, the first person is getting rest. And then again, you have to keep repeating if some other person is available in the room, so that you can give an effective CPR. Why I'm saying effective CPR? If you are doing like this, there is no use of that CPR. But if you are doing like this, that is an effective CPR. And if you do an effective CPR, then only you can save the life. But for effective CPR, you also need a stand. You also need a rest. By giving a CPR is not an easy job. In 2 minutes, your body will get exhausted. So learn it now rather than in future. जब real life situation आएगी, उस समय के लिए आपको तैयार रहना है. You should know. There was one occasion when I was in the flight and there is one person who got collapsed and I did a CPR, patient revived. I'm doing it routinely in my hospital, but in real life situation, at airport, in train, in bus, anyone can encounter in this sort of situation. I'm giving one example. One of my patient, she was 78-year-old female. She got collapsed at home. उसके 2 बेटे दोनों घर में ही थे और उसके पोते मीन्स ग्रैंडसन, दे वर ऑल्सो एट होम. जो दोनों बेटे थे, they were almost around 50-55 years. They didn't know anything. They were like clueless what to do, because whenever this situation arises, we don't know what exactly we have to do. So they become freeze. But that lady's grandson, he knew something about the CPR. So he started doing a chest compression. And on doing chest compression, they shifted the patient to hospital. And अपने ग्रैंडसन को, अपने बेटे को CPR करते हुए देखते हुए उसके फादर, जो उसके बेटे थे, पेशेंट के बेटे, जो दोनों बेटे थे 50-55 के, they have also started CPR. And by doing the CPR, they brought the patient to hospital and patient revived. After that, I operated her, and she is now doing fine. So You never know at what time, when, where, and how you will get in a situation. So don't freeze, don't be in denial mode, just do it and be courageous. So now I would like from your side anyone to come and do the CPR. Don't hesitate. You might be doing mistake, but don't worry. If you do the mistake, you can learn. And if you learn right now, you will not do mistakes in future. So learn it now for the safety of yourself, for the safety of your community, for the safety of your family. So who wants to come? Come, don't hesitate. Yeah, come. Yeah, give him a big hand. Come. Yeah. So, what's your name?
Vatsal. Vatsal.
Vassal. So, Vassal, what will you do? Start doing the no. What will you do the first? Check for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yes. Good. Then what will you say?
He's not okay. I will call someone for help.
Yes.
Until he or she comes, I will start the CPR.
Yes. So, say something. Call for ambulance or and if suppose nobody is there, what will you do? We all have mobile phone in our pocket most of the time. So call first 108 or anything, and there is a patient is collapsed. We need a emergent ambulance and send it. Send the address and then start doing the CPR because help is very important. Got the point? So yeah, next what will you do?
I will start the CPR until someone comes.
Yeah. So you have checked the responsiveness, you have checked the breathing
And pulse also.
and pulse also. Okay, check the pulse. How will you check the pulse? No, don't put both the hand together. Because what will you do is if you press both the side, you will, if suppose the blood is going up, you are compressing the blood flow to brain. Okay, so check only on one side, not on the both side. Okay, check the pulse. Pulse is not coming, patient is not breathing, and he is not responding. You have already called for help. Now, what will you do?
CPR.
No, I told you something. Ensure safety. So if there is a nearby current, light, water, or patient is not on a flat surface or over a chair, bring him
On a
hard surface on the floor or over a table or bed. Okay? And then how will you do the CPR?
First of all, take,
Yeah. Yeah, I will hold it.
take one hand, then second hand,
Yes, good,
interlock,
good.
then this heel on the middle of the chest.
Yes. So the chest is still here to here. This is abdomen. This we have to understand. This is abdomen. This is chest, and the lower part of the chest will be this one,
Lower sternum.
lower sternum. Okay. So yeah,
Like this.
yeah. And now your hand has to be
Straight.
straight, and you have to lean. थोड़ा सा पास में आओ. Yes. Straight your hand. Yeah. So and you have to count also.
After 30,
You have to count also.
Give
So
the
yeah,
breathing also.
yeah. So count. Yeah, we can keep it lower also. Yeah. इसको नीचे रखवा दो. Yeah, you can lean. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. So you have to count also. Yeah.
After 30 CPRs.
1 second. Yeah. So count 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
It takes a lot of effort.
26,
It's not easy.
27, 28, 29, 30.
And what will you do next?
Uh,
Yes. So with one hand, you do like this. Yes. Like this. Hold it like this. Hold it like this or like this. Yes. And this. And then. Yes. And then. जोर से. Yes. And then again, what will you do?
Again 30 steps of CPR and then again.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Give him a big hand. Thank you. Do it.
But if the person is wearing some tight clothes and belt and
Sir, if the person is wearing tight clothes, belt and shoes, first we have to open their button, belt and shoes,
No need.
socks.
No need.
If the person gets sweats,
No need.
okay sir.
Most important part is to bring the heart back.
Okay sir.
Tight clothes, nothing. Nothing is important. Most important is to bring the heart back, because every second counts. So that every second is important. Yeah, start. So his question was, if somebody is having a tight clothes, if shoes are there over the legs, बेल्ट बहुत टाइट है, तो उनको पहले निकालना है क्या? आंसर इज नो. वी आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट ईच एंड दिस ऑल थिंग्स. वी आर मोर वरीड टू ब्रिंग द हार्ट बैक.
okay. Are you okay? After that, check the pulses. Start.
Call for help.
Set if I
Yes.
don't have phone, then I will call someone.
Yes.
Then
So you have to call someone, ki call for ambulance, and I am doing CPR, and if there is any defibrillator nearby, bring the defibrillator. Okay. Then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One, two, three, four, five, six.
Very
seven,
good.
eight.
very good. Yeah. Keep calm.
so first of
Yeah. Keep.
first of all we check that he is okay or not.
So now I am not your examiner. You do whatever you have to do. I am
Are
just.
you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Sir, then we check pulses.
You keep doing.
Then we should give him the CPR.
Call for help.
Then we
Yes.
call for help to
Yes.
someone to call ambulance.
Yeah.
Then we give him
Ensure
CPR.
safety.
Yes.
Ensure safety.
Yes.
Yes. And then we have to do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So come here. Come here. Here.
1,
Yes.
2,
And
3,
keep it here.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So look at this.
13,
He's
14,
he's
15,
he's interlocking both the hands,
20.
pressing by the heel, and both the hands are straight. He is not using his elbow. He is using his shoulder and his body weight. That is more important, because then only you can give the thrust of 5 to 6 centimeter.
Then sir, we repeat the process and give
Yes.
CPR again.
Good. Thank you.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Then I will call someone for help. Then I will check the pulses and ensure safety. After this, then I will do CPR. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then I will do this. Then I will repeat this process again.
Good job. Good job. Yeah. Keep doing.
Sir, if the person is unconscious but still breathing, so
Yeah.
should we perform CPR?
That's a good question. So if the person is unconscious but is still breathing, there might be something else. So just check for the pulse. So pulse is there, breathing is there, no need for starting a CPR. That unconsciousness might be because of something else. Like किसी का ब्लड शुगर कम हो गया, हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया, उसकी वजह से पेशेंट अनकॉन्शियस हो सकता है. किसी को ब्रेन में हेमरेज हो गया, ब्रेन में स्ट्रोक हो गया, किसी को सीजर आ गए, किसी को मिर्गी के दौरे आते हैं, उसकी वजह से भी अनकॉन्शियस हो सकते हैं. तो अगर ब्रीदिंग प्रॉपर है और पल्स है तो सीपीआर नहीं करना है. देन पेशेंट अनकॉन्शियस है तो उसकी अनकॉन्शियसनेस का रीजन पता करना है और उसके लिए हेल्प मंगा के इमरजेंसी में पेशेंट को लेके जाना है. बट सीपीआर नहीं करना है क्योंकि उसकी पल्स आ रही है और ब्रीदिंग आ रही है. बट अगर ब्रीदिंग भी है बट गैस्पिंग है और पल्स भी नहीं आ रही है, पेशेंट अनकॉन्शियस है, तब सीपीआर देना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू चेक ऑल द थ्री थिंग्स. responsiveness, pulse, and breathing. Good question. So you can do loudly, shout
Are you okay?
2-3 times. You can ask 2-3 times.
Are you okay? So then we should. Then we repeat the process.
Good. Thank you. आप लोग जाते जाओ रिव्यू कर. हाँ, क्वेश्चन.
Sir, how to confirm that the person needs CPR or not?
So that's what I told. So his question is how to confirm whether the person is needing CPR or not. So that's why I told, check for responsiveness. He is not responding. Check for breathing. He is not breathing. How to confirm whether the patient is breathing or not? मेरा chest ऊपर उठ रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है. Chest ऊपर उठ रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है. It means I am breathing. If he is not breathing, there will be no movement over the chest. It means he is not breathing. So responsiveness check कर लिया, breathing check कर ली, pulse check कर ली. All three are not there. It means patient needs a CPR. If responsiveness check की, patient respond नहीं कर रहा, but patient breathe कर रहा है, patient की pulse आ रही है, this patient doesn't need CPR. No need for CPR.
But sir, until the some safety personals come, then
You just need to assess the reason, and you have to shift the patient. But by the time patient is reaching to hospital, or the patient or the medical personnel is coming, by that time you just keep checking the pulse and the breathing, because there might be situation कि patient का उस समय unresponsiveness हुआ हो और बाद में जाके pulse और breathing lost हो गया. So you just need to keep checking these
every time.
every 2 minutes, 5 minutes. If he stop breathing, then start CPR.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, what should we do if we get tired? Sir, what should we do if we get tired while performing CPR?
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying we need help, because in 2 to 5 minutes anyone will get exhausted. In 2 to 5 minutes anyone will get exhausted. So if there is someone around, so there are two things. One is, you know that CPR, you are doing the CPR, but you are alone. If you are alone, call for help so that anyone can come and help you. If there is someone else is there, like this auditorium, anywhere, you ask the other person to do the CPR and ask him, now you do the CPR, I will take rest. You do the CPR, I will take rest. And then there is another situation. If there are two persons, suppose you are the only one, you have to do the 30 compression and 2 breath. 30 compression and 2 breath. You are doing alone. Okay. If there are two persons, so what they can do is, suppose come here, you come here. Yeah, both of you. So the one person is here. So you start doing the CPR. He will give 30 compression.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Now you give the breath. Now you start doing the CPR. So
1, 2,
he will
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
so he will repeat the 4 cycle.
17, 18, 19, 20.
So in 30, so he will repeat around 4 to 5 cycles. So 5 cycle of CPR he has given. Now both of them will change the position. So by that time he is getting rest, he is giving the breath, and he is doing the CPR. And then they can switch the position. And both of them are doing in coordination. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So this is how you can increase the efficiency of manpower. And if there are many people, then just ask them to come repeatedly. One person is tired, second person will say come, third person will come, fourth person will come. And once you are getting tired, ask the other person, okay, I am getting tired, come next. Next come. So that the person will keep on doing the CPR. और किसी को करना है? Yeah, keep doing. Anyone who wants to do,
Are you okay?
come and learn it. You might not get this opportunity later on, so do it right away. गर्ल्स में से कोई नहीं है? Good, very good, good.
Firstly, we check the response.
Check the response. How will you check?
He is responsive.
Over here.
He is
जोर से, जोर से.
responsive.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Then we will call for help.
Yeah.
After that, we will start CPR.
Yeah,
Is that point is correct?
yeah. So this is the lower 1/3 of the sternum. So lower half of the sternum. You have to keep it here. Yes. And you can keep counting, you know. And don't lift your finger. Okay. Yes. So
Then after that, we
yeah.
will check.
Give the breath. Very good.
Then we will continue.
Continue.
Cycle.
Yes, same cycle. Yes, and when you are doing it, your heel has to be remain touched over the sternum. It should not be up and down. You got my point? It means if you are doing this, this has to be like this. It should not be like this.
Okay.
Okay?
It should be
It should
touched
not.
all
It should
time.
not come. It should touch, push, and then recoil. Push and recoil. Push
not have
and
to-
recoil. And important thing is keep spreading this knowledge to everyone nearby, in your family, in your community, in your society, wherever you are living, and you can be an educator for the next time. It's a time of internet. Everything is there on internet. So now today you can do it, and tomorrow you can teach these things to your society also. It's not कि 8 साल का बच्चा ही कर सकता है या 90 ईयर का मेल पेशेंट नहीं कर सकता या फीमेल नहीं कर सकता है. There is no difference in male and female. There is no difference in the age. Even a 70 year, 80 year, 90 year का person भी है. If he knows how to do the CPR, he can also do the CPR. If a 10-year kid know how to do the CPR, he can also do the CPR.
बच्चे का क्वेश्चन है कि छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी सेम प्रोसेस रहता है
नो,
complete?
छोटे बच्चों का डिफरेंट है. सो इन्फेंट्स और जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल के बच्चे, उनका डिफरेंस होता है, क्योंकि उन पेशेंट्स में, उन बच्चों में आप इतनी जोर से कंप्रेशन नहीं दे सकते. तो वहां पे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, वहां पे हमें थंब से हम देते हैं. वी गिव इट बाय अ थंब. सो 1, क्योंकि उनकी स्टर्नम बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होती हैं, दे आर नॉट दैट हार्ड. सो वी जस्ट बिकॉज वहां पे इतना प्रेशर नहीं चाहिए होता, वहां पे थंब से प्रेशर देंगे तो भी वो कंप्रेशन हो जाता है. बट यूजुअली छोटे बच्चों में आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बट अगर पड़ती है तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट हाउ टू डू द CPR in infants and younger kids is different. So sir is doing the CPR, everyone can watch it. So any person, any age of the person can do the CPR. So my request for all of you, go and teach your parents, your grandparents how to do the CPR. Nobody knows when it will require. So thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So I will stop here, and if any one of you wants to come and do it, they can come and do it. Anyone from the girls? Why girls are so hesitating? Huh? Yeah, and any staff members, teachers can also come and they can also do it. Yes, please, ma'am, come.
Are you okay?
No. So 1 second. Keep it over here. Your thumb, this thing has to be over here. Yeah. And then yes. And keep counting 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit fast. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then give a breath. Yeah, that's okay. And then again start CPR. Okay. Little bit in the center. Okay. Thoda sa center. Yeah. Yes. That's good. Wonderful. Great. Give. You can also come. Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
So थोड़ा सा सेंटर में जाइए. थोड़ा सा सेंटर में. हाँ यहाँ पे. Yes. 1, 2. No, it is too fast. So this is too fast. You have to count 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2. No. So what you are doing is you are doing like this. No. You have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Yes, and little fast. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And keep the heel and give a pressure over the heel, not on the finger. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Somebody help.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, that's good, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So I will stop over here, and I hope कि आज कुछ सीखा होगा नया. So घर पे भी सिखाइए सबको, है ना. चलिए, थैंक यू. उस टाइम पता नहीं कहाँ से म्यूजिक बज रहा था, मैंने ऑफ कर दिया. अरे सर. सर
small painting.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सर.
बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छा रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम.
जी सर.
जो टाइम मिल गया ना,
हाँ.
पूरा 1 घंटा
ये
चाहिए.
भी
हाँ जी सर.
ये भी मिल गया सही.
इसका आपने YouTube रिकॉर्ड किया ना.
हाँ, रिकॉर्ड किया है. सो वी विल पुट इट ऑन द YouTube एंड विल गिव द लिंक आल्सो टू एवरीवन. जो आज अपन ने किया है उसके रिकॉर्ड करके मैं एक लिंक दूंगा. सो ये आपसे शेयर कर लेंगे. सो यू कैन वॉच इट एट होम आल्सो, सो दैट यू कैन टीच एवरीवन एट होम, इन सोसाइटी, एवरीवन. हाँ जी सर.
डॉक्टर प्रशांत द्विवेदी.
अब आ जाइए.
आइए सर.
अब आ जाइए. थैंक यू.